Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to make ChatGPT text undetectable. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for ChatGPT. Let's get into it. Make sure you are logged into it. Now we need to write the message. We can simply write it deductible. So to make it undeductible, we can get more prompts for ChatGPT like make it natural, in human style, or you can also try and ask ChatGPT to write the content in parts. You can simply ask for introduction once and body and conclusion at the end. And do is simply copy this and go to this Quillboard AI and simply paste it. Now click on paraphrase over here. Now the entire language will be changed and we cannot find out that it's done by AI or ChatGPT. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.